AISP Stock Analysis and Predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering this in this short video, so watch till the very end. I have to mention, like, even from the beginning and the start, that this is a very bullish ticker for me. Like previously, I've already kind of showed you the long that I called out here. You know, it was always like a bullish character for me, like a bullish theme. And that was back in, 2 months ago, before the year even started. But as we've gone on, now we have our new highs, and my exact approach with this is going to be here. So I'm obviously very open for longs, but without the correction, I'm just not going to randomly buy. You have to understand that without that retracement or that like little pullback, I'm just not going to buy. Like people think that like, you should force, this, that. No, I'd just rather stick to something that I know and I've seen working, So yeah, that's how AISP looks like. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.